Okay, Zachary Ralph, why did you make me watch Splash Speaks? Do you know who I am? I am Classic Splash, so, in the name of justice, I'm making you watch Porta Speaks.
I must express my discontent regarding your assistance that I viewed Porta Speaks. Why did you mention to view this? Now it's time to play the Splash Speaks DVD.
Splash, how dare you force me to watch Splash Speaks? If you force me to watch Splash Speaks, this is what it's going to happen.
Stop forcing me to watch Porta Speaks. You got your first strike. This means you will no longer force me to watch anything for one day. If you dare to force me to watch Porta Speaks, you will get a second strike. Poetic justice.
Splash was an average dog. She went
Woof,
and
woof,
and
grrr.
then she ate some alphabet soup, and what happened was bizarre.
On the way to Splash's stomach, the letters lost their way. They traveled to her brain and now
She got a lot to say. Now she speaks.
How now, brown cow?
Splash speaks. Yeah, she speaks and speaks and speaks and speaks and speaks.
What's a caboose? What are we eating again? Hey, Joe Wade, I know.
My name's not Joe.
She's not always right, but still, that Splash speaks.
Hi there.
She's got a voice. She's ready to shout. Splash will tell you what it's all about. Sometimes wrong but seldom in doubt. Splash will tell you what it's all about. That dog is unique.
Testing, 1 2.
Hear her speak. Splash speaks and speaks and speaks and speaks and
Communicates, enumerates, elucidates, exaggerates, indicates, and explicates, bloviates and overstates and yay, hyperventilates. Splash speaks.